Yeah. Welcome back, everybody. Sorry it's been a while. Now, I have something neat to show you. So I don't know why I've been saying it's a while. I just started this fucking channel. Who cares? Now, this is a JOC 3-band radio, FM, AM, SW. To get into detail, FM is FM, yeah, AM is AM. Shortwave is SW. I didn't really do too much research. I'm not super gonna geek out. I'm not gonna try to do all that. I'm just trying to show what I find is cool. So the way this works, the volume, you move that up. That's how you turn it on. It obviously works. You tune it with this crank right here where my middle finger is. And depending on what you change it to, it's going to be different. I've noticed that I could find 5 stations altogether. Shortwave does not have any results. We have nothing close to where our town is. It's just static. Even at the highest point I could find in our town, I couldn't really get much, but like, I heard some weird shit. But honestly, it's actually kind of interesting. What you can hear from it, at least. It's got a headphone jack, like all devices should, if they're made in at least the 2000s. If we open it up, it's really easy to open up and see what's inside of it. Since we have a battery, it's rechargeable, like all, which is nice. I'm kind of just stuttering here. Can't really think much, but if I could grab my trusty dusty screwdriver. Hello. Yeah. Cannot find it. I'll be dead. Well, if I actually know where one is. Gotta give y'all a sec though. Usually I can just get about 5 radio stations. I can't really name them all off, but each of them are different in their own ways. Like the best one that can go through like no matter where, and it's the closest radio station to us, is 98.7, which is in Las Cruces over that way, I think. So it gets the strongest signal. All the rest are pretty far away, or it can't pick up normally. It gets real rinky-dink, though, because the only problem is I have to open it up every once in a while because something's missing from the volume wheel, and it will loosen up every once in a while, and I'll have to tighten that bolt, you know, but it's honestly not too difficult to do, and I'll show you how, because I made sure to bring this screwdriver, because unlike most people, I bring rinky-dink dookie fart stink shit items to school all the time, and I do it to mess with friends and the teachers, because can't have phones or nothing in class, blah 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 blah, suck my cock. It's stupid and annoying, and honestly I think it shouldn't be just fully banned. I think it just should be banned during school classes, not during fucking lunch, not permanently banned. And all devices too. All electrical devices are banned in the state of New Mexico. What a fucking pain, dude. What? Man, we're like trying to be half-assed Texas over here. What's next? You gonna put us in them little pussy pouches? But just fucking annoying. But if y'all could relate with that, if you're my age, which I'm not gonna fucking say, fucking weirdo, you'd have to deal with the same problem too. School sucks. So, how was your day? But, yeah, no, kind of shit. Come on, open up. Open up and tell me your feelings. Don't worry, you can trust me. For like $9 a month. Thank you. Well, not $9, fuck. Therapists are like 50 fucking bucks, more like. Okay, make sure I have all the bolts. I ain't got no fucking spare. Okay, so if we're looking at this correctly, hopefully I get it in view. I'm gonna be careful because it's still working. I don't want to take this apart like all the others. It's like this. Mainly, if we lean this over here, just so you can get a nice look-see here. Here it is. So this is obviously the speaker. This is the system that controls the line there. This is the... Okay, oh my fucking god. Use the words that you learned. Piece of shit. Oh my fucking god. So there's this bolt. That's for the volume. I have to tighten that. This is... I can't remember. Fuse, I think that's what it's called. No. This is obviously the thing... Adapter, blah blah blah, for the headphone jack. This is for tuning. That is another unit. I can't remember. Here's mainly the wire connecting, like transmitting the signal from this. Most of the other stuff is under that plate, though. Yeah, that's the inside of the radio. My dad's being a naggy granny asshole, and he keeps fucking yelling for me. Not because I'm not doing something I'm not. It's because he's wanting to do some shit because he's... Oh my. He nags me about it all the time. No big deal. So, yeah, that's the inside of the radio of that for you. Honestly, ain't got really much more ideas from it. So, I'd say that's about it. The radio is fairly cheap. You can get it online. It isn't a rare antique. You can get these really simple. But if you ever want to be curious and interested in what the fuck's around you, make sure to get a radio, because... Oh, sure, it can't get FM, or it can't get some XM radio. Fuck XM. You can find your own goddamn stations. You ain't need no fucking public shit to even look for it. Go outside. Do your thing. Do whatever you fucking need to do to make you happy. You know? Do what you do, and do it best. It's my fucking quote of the day. Even though I am definitely not no philosopher. So yeah. That is the simplistics of a radio. Honestly, I would go over more if I was a super hyper-brained nerd. But I just enjoy this, you know? I enjoy it mindlessly. I don't think about things, like, fully. Like some fucking crazy crackhead or mad scientist, even. But yeah. That is the 3-band JOC radio, and I had that upside down. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching. And I'll make sure to be posting new stuff every once in a while. Don't expect me to post a lot, because I don't play... Oh, excuse me. I don't plan to make a job out of this. Whoever does and dedicates their life to this, and I could pay whatever, blah blah blah. Bye. Alright. See ya. Have a good day.